ideas. The first one is I'll analyze the your website using WooRank. Then I'll explain the complete report which is generated by WooRank. Then I will explain all the tasks which are needed to be done, and then I'll also explain about what to do in PPC, and explanation about how to proceed with the project, how we should go ahead with it. Like the first thing which needs to be done is keyword research, so those things would be there. So let me just first go to the report which I have already generated. So this is the WooRank report for your website, and the score is 46. This is not good at all. It should be around something around 75 or 80 to be a good website, and to be a website good in terms of SEO, in terms of getting good ranks in Google. So as you can see here that it successfully passed 16 tests. Then there is room for improvement for 3 and errors to fix 10. Okay, now here if we see the local scenario, then in local directories it is not present. Missing profile on Google Places, then again missing profile on Foursquare, and missing profile on Yelp. So if your business which is not at all a local business, so this would be not required, as most of your target audience is from all over the world, so this is anyways not required. And next is the mobile rendering. As you can see that your website is loading in mobile, however it is not actually loading very well, and in the tablet it has not loaded actually. There was a database error. So, and the mobile load time is very slow. This needs to be fixed as well. Then mobile optimization. The website is not optimized for mobile visitors. There is no mobile CSS, there is no mobile redirection. Generally we should have, nowadays we should have a very good responsive website, which the responses to every device. This means that when your website is loading in a different device, it can automatically adjust itself to its size in a way that it is user friendly. So in that case, these are the things which you may need to you know mm, these things are needed to be fixed by a website developer. I have developers in my team. You can use my developers, or you can use your own developers for these things, for this mobile version, and for correcting the load speed. And ideal load speed would be, say, something around 90 ms, or 1 second. 1 second is fair enough, so that should be the ideal load time. Then in SEO, the www part is there in the URL, which is a good thing. Then the URLs look clean and user friendly, so that is another good uh, feature about the website. Then IP canonicalization is also there, but there is a big problem, which is robot.txt file is missing. And this is a file which is used for blocking any page which you don't want the Google bot to index. Okay, now if this is missing, the Google bot, the crawler gets confused. Okay, so this is something which has to be there, and it takes information from it that whether to index this page or not. So if it is completely not there, it's not good. It should be there, and it should you know have the permissions, like whether to index this page or not. It should be follow or no follow. So these are the things which needs to be done. Then XML sitemap is missing, so a sitemap needs to be created, of course, after everything is fixed, like the on page and all the on page factors. When they are fixed, then we would need to create an XML sitemap. Then this is the Google preview which we are getting. So here the description is missing completely, so the description needs to be added. The description comes here. Then about the keyword, about the title is also not keyword optimized, so this needs to be fixed as well. It has to be relevant to the target keywords we are using, so this can only be done once the keyword research is done. Then the title, it says in terms of character it's good, but in terms of relevancy to the keyword targeting, this is not good. Okay, now description it is missing, then meta keywords are also missing. These would be needed once the keyword research is done. Then internal page analysis looks good. The descriptions are there, and the text HTML ratio is also good. So this is another good thing which we have. However, we can change the titles, as per the keywords if needed. Then the heading tags, the h1 h2 tags, they look good as well, but we need to rework on them as per the keywords. Then again, images, there are 5 images and all the alt attributes are missing, so we need to place them as well. Then text HTML ratio is of the total website is not good. This needs to be fixed by reducing the messy HTML tags. Then flash is not there, which is a good thing. Frames is not there, good thing. Blog, there's a blog in the website, and in this blog we would need to you know the blog should be updated frequently, at least twice a month. So this is another thing which needs to be done. I can provide a content writer, very good writer, if you want, or you can have your own writer and get the blog updated every 2 times a month. And if you are using your content writer, then please connect that writer to us so that we can advise the writer correctly about the SEO factors uh, they need to keep in mind while writing the post for the blog. So that is very important. And next, the keyword consistency is there. So this is of not much use because we have not done the keyword research yet. Once we do the keyword research, then we will optimize the content of the website as per the keywords, and then we can get a right picture from here. Then the in-page links, the external links, there are undefined links, so these are the things which need to be fixed. Okay, then there's backlink counter, there are no backlinks here, so obviously you have never done SEO for this, so there are no backlinks. Then indexed pages, 10 pages have been indexed. We need to check whether there are more pages than that. I guess there are more pages which are not indexed, then we need to check the reason for that. Then popular pages are mentioned here. Then domains age is given. Okay, now here are the technological parts are there. There's a issue with the speed, and this needs to be fixed. Analytics is there. You need to share this analytics with us when we start working. I'll send you an email for that. You have to share as a user, just so that we can see the reports. No admin powers required. You also need to share the Google Webmasters. So again, restricted powers would be required because we just need to check the issues and analyze the reports. Again, W3C validity, we need to validate the HTML and the CSS files of the website with w3c.org. So we will do that, and it's not valid as per the report, so we need to fix it and then we need to validate it from there. Then the doc type is HTML5, which is a good thing actually. and nowadays HTML5 is good. It's good to use HTML5 for actually, the parts which were previously used by using Flash or animated videos, those animations, it's good to use HTML5 for that. Then the rest of the things look good. Now now the next thing, so these are the things which we will fix in the first month of our work. Okay, now these are all on page issues which needs to be fixed, and after these things are fixed we will start the off page process. I'll give you the complete package. I'll show these packages which are here. So the next thing is the tasks which are needed to be done. I have already, I guess, explained you that what is needed to be done. I'll explain it to you in a more better way when I show you these packages. So this is the off page SEO package, and this is the on page SEO package. This is the package we will go for you know in the first month. Okay, where we will fix, maybe in 2-3 months actually we may continue this, because sometimes we need to tweak the on page meta tags time to time, so that we can, on the basis of analysis, suppose we have changed some on page, we have used some meta tags, and after 2 weeks of analysis we see that it's not working, okay, due to some reason, then we change it. So this keeps happening, little tweaks are always there. So we would also need the admin powers of the website, the FTP and the admin logins, to make these changes. Okay, these are all internal changes. I mean, all these changes are related to the back end. Okay, I mean, nothing is visible in the front end to the user, so website remains same as it is. Okay, now these are the following things which we provide with this package. Both the packages are priced similarly. The price is 400 for both the packages, $400 per month. However, there are difference of links. With the on page package, the off page links are lesser. You can see a lot of no's here, but this package is made with very this package has a very good balance of off page and on page, and I always suggest my clients who don't have you know who don't have a side by side process of on page, because I get some clients who already have somebody who is a developer, or maybe somebody who is actually working on the on page every month, so they generally go for this off page package, okay, where the complete focus is on link building, the off page link building and social media. So but the rest of the people, they who don't have a off page going on, they go for this package, and this package is very good, and we promote 5 keywords at a time for both these packages. And 5 keywords, I mean that the at a time we will target 5 main keywords, and there would be more LSI keywords of them, okay, which we will also promote, because we need to maintain this. We need to have naked URLs and generic keywords, so that the the linking pattern can be variable, like the keyword pattern should be natural, you know so that you can show Google that you are not spamming. If you keep using one anchor text and a keyword, a targeted keyword in that anchor text all the time for all your links, okay, so that is very unnatural. So you need to have a mix of primary keyword, which is the target keyword, the LSI of that keyword. LSI means that long tail versions of the similar primary keyword, then naked URL, using only the URL as an anchor text, and generic keywords like click here, go to this website, these things. So I will send you this package along with this video, both the packages, and you can check all the things, all the good links which we provide. Like we create HD video, we create 3 videos with this package, and we create 6 videos with this package. So these videos are created and they are submitted to 12 high PR video submission websites, and their views are also raised. With the social signal portion, you will see that we will raise the likes and shares of your Facebook page 150 every month with the off on and off page package, and for this one it is 300. So you can check all this, which one is more and less. So these are the things. Like Twitter followers, we provide 75 followers, then 1000 YouTube views for all those videos. I mean together 1000 for the 3 videos. So again uh, likes in Pinterest and pins, and Google followers, 75 Google followers. So you can check all these things. Okay, and so these are the things which needs to be done to get your website in a good position, and by using this process we can get good results. We can get visible results in 2 months, where you will see that your keywords are growing from a lower rank to a higher rank, and in around 3 months we can show you top 10 rankings for some keywords. Like if we are targeting 5 keywords, we can at least show you 2 to 3 keywords on top 10 in 3 months, and say around in 5 to 6 months all these keywords will be in first page, and we would keep maintaining them, and we will also add new keywords to the campaign. And after that, it depends upon you whether you want to continue the process or not. The process needs to be continued so that the positions can be maintained, because there are other competitors who are fighting for this top position, so they always keep up the work. So we may just need to change the keywords time to time, so that overwork is not done in any one keyword. That is another bad things which may lead to getting penalized by Google. So there are a lot of things which needs to be taken care of, and we are here to do that, and we always keep analyzing everything. However, to do the process in the best way, the first and the most important thing which needs to be done is building trust between you and me. This is very important, because if there is no trust, there are a lot of problems which we have to face. You and me, we both have to face a lot of problems in terms of quality work. Because if I need some logins, and if you can't trust me and you don't give me the logins, then the work gets delayed. So this is the first thing which needs to be done. So if you can trust me, then only start working with me. Otherwise things would not be in your favor and not my favor.